The fourth industrial revolution will be characterised by a range of new technologies, fusing the physical, digital and biological worlds, impacting on all disciplines, economies and industries, and challenging the idea of what it means to be human. And it's only just beginning. This revolution is rapidly changing the way industry approaches construction, revolutionising processes with a dramatic impact on productivity, efficiency, delivery and cost. The term offsite construction describes the planning, design or assembling of constituent building parts in a factory or a location other than a building site, and is helping to overcome significant challenges faced by the construction industry around productivity, project delivery and skills shortages. Offsite manufacturing decreases time spent on construction sites and the overall cost of delivery. It also improves the quality of building parts thanks to well-defined standards and processes. By assembling components in controlled factory environments, projects are no longer vulnerable to changeable site conditions, and risks associated with delivery schedules are also greatly reduced. At BSI, we're working with industry leaders to identify how our standards can support engineers in the application of off-site construction, evaluating the gaps and deficiencies in current standards and how best to address these issues. It's our job to encourage confidence among clients and their design and construction teams, spurring demand and growth. At BSI, we set the standards that allow people working in both manufacturing and construction to move through this transitionary landscape with confidence and peace of mind.